Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if someone saved your WhatsApp number. So this is very simple method, just follow these steps. First of all, we will open the chat box and just type the number. What we need to do, just click on this number. Now this option chat with this number, just click here. You can see the picture is not visible, it means the number is not saved. So now there are two more options available. You can also check the status visibility. If the person saved your number, then status will must appear on status section. Now you can check also the about section. Now you can also check the online and offline status of the relevant person. For example, I have saved this mobile number. Now you can see the last seen option and online option both are visible. If these both options are not visible, then it means the person is not saved your cell phone number. So by using all these methods, you can make it sure.